Hello everyone, this is Viraja Gaikwad from Computer Science Department, Siagat College of Science. In this lecture, we will discuss variables in C programming. Let's get started. Variables. What is a variable? Generally, when you execute a program, that program performs some operations on data. Let us take an example of net banking or any online shopping websites. These applications performs lots of operations on data and that data has to be stored. So a variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area. In short, variable stores values in it. Let us take an example of computer. In computer, we store lots of data and to store it, the space is required. If I want to store any doc file or any MP3 file or any JPG file, the space is required. That's why a variable is a name given to memory location to store the data. Now consider this is computer's memory, which is divided in different parts. We call them as cell or location in memory. Every memory location is identified by an address. Just consider theaters. There is seating arrangements, it's just a memory location. And you have to remember the address of memory location is always positive. So we will see how to declare a variable and how to store values in it. Variable declaration. The syntax is data type, variable name and semicolon. We had put semicolon over here. This is how your compiler separates one line from another. So don't forget to add semicolon at end of the variable. Let us take an example. Integer a. Here a is a variable of type integer. Now let's move to the next point. Variable initialization. What is initialization? Initialization means assigning values to a variable during declaration. We will see an example. Integer a equal to 5. Here what I am doing, I am assigning 5 to variable a during declaration. Then what will happen? We will see. When I am initializing variable a will get some memory location. Here address of memory location is 1000. This is a random address. We are assigning 5 to a, means 5 will go and store into a. Now a contains value 5. So a is a variable name, 5 is the value and 1000 is the memory address of a variable. Now let's move towards the next point, which is rules for naming variables. Variable names composed of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, digits and underscore. So the first rule for naming a variable is variable must begin with an alphabet. Means don't start a variable name with digit. For example, var is a valid variable name. On the other hand, 5var is invalid variable name because it starts with digit. The second rule is, as C is case sensitive, the uppercase and lowercase letters are considered different. For example, writing demo, demo, demo and demo all are different. Now let's move towards the third rule. The third rule is the variable should not be a keyword. Means the variable should not be reserved word. For example, if, else, for, int all are invalid variable names because they are reserved words. The fourth rule is special characters such as at, hash, percent are not allowed in the name of a variable. For example, @var and hash abc are invalid variables. Fifth rule is blank or white spaces are not allowed in between separation of different parts of the variable. For example, integer roll number is invalid. It is not allowed. Instead, you can use underscore in between. Means integer roll underscore number is valid variable. So this is all about variables in C programming. Thank you.